anyone else get really bad tinnitus when they fly? Hello friends, I'm Dr. Maria Morrison, audiologist. I'm your expert in hearing healthcare, and as some of you know, I have tinnitus. Now, it's not typically bothersome. I usually don't even notice it on a day-to-day basis, but certainly when I'm stressed or anxious is when I notice it more. And traveling, even though I love it and am actually a travel agent in addition to an audiologist, traveling does give me a bit of anxiety and does stress me out, right? I don't want to be late for the flight. I want to make sure I have plenty of time to get through security. All of that gives me anxiety. And because of that, my tinnitus can get a little bad or a little worse during my travel days. So what I do is I typically will make sure that my phone has got a nice sound generator app on it. I love the Resound Relief app. And if my tinnitus is bothersome, I just listen to some soothing sounds. I try to distract myself. And usually by my second day of travel, all is well. So if you have difficulties traveling with tinnitus, I hope this helps. If you have any questions on tinnitus, just leave those in the comments and I'll get back to you. All right, friends, have a great day. Bye-bye.